Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Mubarak Yusuf and I'm the CEO of Muktaguru. Here you can reach out to me with my number below. You can see my number. So in case you want to reach out to me, you can just communicate with me. Then add on my country code, Nigerian. Alright, today we'll be learning how to create a text now number. So if you don't know how to create a text now number, you'll be learning how to create it. So before then, I'll advise you to download your Iceland. You download this Iceland environment. Is that you download this Iceland environment, or you use your main device. It's not bad. You can use your main device, or you make use of your work profile if you wish. You understand? So I'll be making use of my work profile. You can see I'm currently on my work profile. So it's just like a virtual Android. It's a virtual Android entirely. So I'm going to set it up. I'm going to download cookies. Here's the VPN I'm going to be using. You can see the VPN. So you download this VPN and also what again? Then you download your TextNow TextNow app. So we'll be getting our US number with this, and also I think that is all. So also you need a fresh Gmail. You create a fresh Gmail. So what I'm going to do now, okay, let me see if it's recording. Okay, it's recording. So I'm going to connect my VPN. All right, just watch how I create the number. Just watch how I create the number. Just pray I log out successful. Just pray. Okay. So I'm coming here. I'm select one of these nodes. Let's go. Let's go there. Where is the node? All right, I'm going to connect this node. You can see this node. All right, this is what I'm going to use. Good. All right, I wait for it connecting. Counting. Okay. So, all right, let's watch and see. Okay, let's watch and see. All right, done. We are connect. So the next thing we're going to do is to open our text now. Open our text now. All right. So I'm going to click on the sign up. Just watch. You click on the sign up. You can see. So I'm creating it. So I'm going to register. Click on this connect using what? Google. Done. All right. Connect with Google. So you can click on any of the email if you wish. Any of the email. So I'm going to use any of the email. Make sure you have already signed up your email. Okay. Let's wait. All right. Just hold on. Network. All right. We're still working on it. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do to get your number, you're going to click on this. Use Wi-Fi. You tap on it. Good. So, and then you select number. Click on select number. You can use location and just search for 209. Not bad. Okay. Then you pick kind of the free number. You connect. Continue. Okay. So what else again? All right. Then you're going to press or hold to confirm you're not a human. Just hold it. You just want to confirm you're not robots, and allow it. Okay, we are back here to personal. So you just continue setup. All right, just allowed. Good. So you can see we have already gotten our number. I think we've already gotten our number. You can see our number at the top. Here's the number. You can see it. So I can decide to use this number and text this number now. Let me text this number using my Google Voice. Let me use my voice. Okay, let me text this number. Okay, skip. Let me this. Let me message this. Sorry. Okay. 209-500 what 1616 and 01. Okay. Sorry. So you can see this number has already been added. Okay. Then I say hi, Mutago. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Alright, so let's get back to our text now. You can see here's our number. Hi Mutago. No, so what's up? Both. So don't mind about the ads. Let me just do and clear the ads. Don't mind about the ads. So these are how you create your US number. Very quick, sharp. Without no stress. What's up, Mobtech? Look at it. So you see, you can see what's up. Okay, I'm cool. Yeah. Please kindly subscribe my channel. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Thanks everyone for watching my video. So you can see here's the number we just created. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks. You can see how we did the video. Very simple. Can even get free data, buy a SIM card if you wish. This is a free network by order a SIM card, you buy activate. You can buy a SIM card, my device is unlocked, my device is locked, my device. You can buy a SIM card if you wish. That's $4 for free easy data and shipping, free social 47 business days, and so on and so forth. So that's just it. Okay. I think these are how to create your TextNow number. All right. The other features and okay, good. And it is all you need is your number to start your work. All right, this is a conversation, and I've already had it with a number. All right, so please kindly do like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, would love to share to your loved ones the easy way to have number as well. I can use this number to do all my registration if I wish.